name is James Halls, and I'm here to demonstrate my Fibonacci sequence generator written in Erlang. Why am I doing this? Well, because I decided I wanted to pick up a few more coding languages, and this was one of the recommended projects for Erlang, which was one of the more exotic sounding languages in the list of languages that I was looking at online. This is supposed to contain... Oh, I have a list. This project will demonstrate several important... I'm reading off a script, please don't be angry with me about that. This project demonstrates several Erlang features, including pattern matching, recursion, guards, lists, anonymous functions, otherwise known as lambdas, and case expressions. Okay, so to start, I need to start up the Erlang shell, call, or more appropriately load, my code, okay. And then I will call the main function, with empty parameters. Now, the point of this is that it's supposed to take a number that you've provided for it through the input, and then create a number of Fibonacci numbers equal to what you've put in. So if I put in, say, 10, it'll give me the first 10 numbers of the Fibonacci sequence. And I've also added, because as I said, it's supposed to have the lists, the lambda, the anonymous functions, lambdas, an even number delineation. It displays the even numbers. So the even numbers here are 0, 2, 8, and 34. Bit of a note on error handling. I'm going to just go ahead and copy this, because I did not have the patience to write a recursion to keep the user interface going. Just felt annoying. Anyway, so it will throw an invalid for a negative number, and it will throw an invalid for text. Oh, I forgot to restart it. It's my fault. It's my fault. I forgot to restart it. Yeah, see? Invalid for negative numbers. Invalid for non-number texts. There you go. So, looking at the code now. Started with simple stuff. Simple calculation function, validation, generate the sequence in a list, helper function for that. Here's that anonymous function I was talking about, which splits it into even and odd and presents the evens. And then the main, which is at the end because it took the longest and it was the most annoying. So it got to be at the end. List of exports, because that's how Erlang works. Module name at the top. Everything you could need. In here we've got the pattern matching. As I said, here's the validation, which is the guards. The higher functions and the lists. Again, I'm reading off a script and breezing through it because I'm trying real hard not to go over my wanted time. Anyway, proof that I could pick it up. Proof that it's at least vaguely functional. Thank you.